I come from Germany. I come from Germany. I live in New York. I live in New York. I speak a little English. I speak a little English. I don't understand. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I work in an office. I work in an office. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. I finish work at 5 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go shopping after work. I go shopping after work. I cook dinner at home. I cook dinner at home. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I am hungry. I am hungry. The food tastes good. The food tastes good. I would like a coffee. I would like a coffee. I'll have the soup. I'll have the soup. The bill, please. The bill, please. I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. I'm allergic to nuts. I'm allergic to nuts. This is delicious. This is delicious. I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. Do you have a table for two? Do you have a table for two? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? I'm just looking. I'm just looking. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Do you have this in blue? Do you have this in blue? Where is the fitting room? Where is the fitting room? It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? I need a receipt. I need a receipt. The store closes at 8 p.m. The store closes at 8 p.m. Where is the train station? Where is the train station? I need a ticket to Munich. I need a ticket to Munich. When does the bus arrive? When does the bus arrive? The train leaves at 3 p.m. The train leaves at 3 p.m. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? I missed my connection. I missed my connection. How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport? The subway is very crowded. The subway is very crowded. My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. I need to rent a car. I need to rent a car. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. I'd like a room for 2 nights. I'd like a room for 2 nights. The room is too small. The room is too small. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? The air conditioning doesn't work. The air conditioning doesn't work. I lost my room key. I lost my room key. Can I have more towels? Can I have more towels? Is there Wi-Fi in the room? Is there Wi-Fi in the room? I'd like to extend my stay. I'd like to extend my stay. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. I have a headache. I have a headache. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? I need this medication. I need this medication. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. I've lost my wallet. I've lost my wallet. I need to contact my embassy. I need to contact my embassy. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm allergic to penicillin. My tooth hurts. My tooth hurts. It's sunny today. It's sunny today. It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily. It's very cold. It's very cold. It's going to snow tomorrow. It's going to snow tomorrow. The weather is nice. The weather is nice. Summer is my favorite season. Summer is my favorite season. It's too hot outside. It's too hot outside. The forecast says it will be cloudy. The forecast says it will be cloudy. The wind is very strong today. The wind is very strong today. What time is it? What time is it? Tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow is my birthday. The meeting starts at 9 a.m. The meeting starts at 9 a.m. We're leaving next week. We're leaving next week. The store opens at 8 a.m. The store opens at 8 a.m. It's already midnight. It's already midnight. The concert is on Friday. The concert is on Friday. I have a meeting at 2 p.m. I have a meeting at 2 p.m. I'll call you back later. I'll call you back later. The deadline is next Monday. The deadline is next Monday. I need to talk to the manager. I need to talk to the manager. I'll be working from home today. I'll be working from home today. The presentation went well. The presentation went well. I'm on my lunch break. I'm on my lunch break. Please sign this document. Please sign this document. I like reading books. I like reading books. I play soccer on weekends. I play soccer on weekends. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I enjoy hiking in the mountains. I enjoy hiking in the mountains. I'm learning to play the piano. I'm learning to play the piano. We often go to the movies. We often go to the movies. I collect old coins. I collect old coins. She loves to paint landscapes. She loves to paint landscapes. They go dancing every Friday. They go dancing every Friday. I prefer staying at home on Sundays. I prefer staying at home on Sundays. I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers. We're getting married next year. We're getting married next year.